Hello Bladers. Welcome to our daily drive, everyday tips for the everyday driver. A proper use of cars' hazard lights. Hazard lights provide a visual reminder to other road users that your vehicle has turned into a temporary obstacle on the road, including when you've pulled over to the side of the road to address a mechanical problem and when your car is in the process of being towed. Funeral processions involving a large convoy of vehicles are generally considered exempted. Use hazard lights when your vehicle is fully stopped in the middle of the road and is unable to proceed under its own power. Hazard lights, when not to use them. In case of bad weather, there are no existing provisions for using your hazard lights when driving through inclement weather like fog and rain that obscures normal visibility. Using hazards in low visibility situations will only confuse other motorists, because it will be difficult for them to tell whether you're about to make a turn or not since you can't use your turn signals with the hazards engaged. We suggest that you use your signal lights, pull over to the curb, park in a safe spot and wait for the weather to clear up. Parking illegally. Flashing hazard lights in a no-loading zone, or if you are used to be the go-to move of certain drivers who would stop at random areas to park or wait, and it's been done so often to the point of being a cliché. It can be infuriating for other motorists whose lane is obstructed. Hazard lights are not supposed to be used to mark a certain spot as your territory where you can park as you please. Just find a proper spot to stop and park, that way, you won't need to obstruct anyone else, whether vehicular or pedestrian traffic. Do you agree with our list? Or did we miss some of the ideas had in mind? Comment down below so we can discuss it. We publish a new episode every day. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, so that you don't miss out on all of our new releases. For more driving and car care tips, visit us at www.blade.ph. Blade Auto Center. It's Blade, it's better. If you like this video, please share it with your friends on social media. Help us build more subscribers by spreading the word around. Click the round icon to subscribe and one of the videos on the left to watch our next feature. See you again soon.